Good day, ma'am. This is Caso Junior D from BS Stream 4D, and this is my first oral examination. Rolito Go versus Court of Appeals GR number 101837, February 11, 1992. Facts: on July 2, 1991, Rolito Go shot Eldon Maguan during a road rage incident in San Juan, Metro Manila. 6 days later, on July 8, 1991, Go voluntarily surrendered to police who effected a warrantless arrest without conducting preliminary investigation, and immediately filed a murder information in RTC Pasig. Go posted bail on July 12, 1991 and filed an omnibus motion for preliminary investigation, which the RTC initially granted but later recalled. Proceedings to arraignment where a not guilty plea was entered in absentia. Eyewitness accounts identified Go as the shooter, but the arrest occurred days after the crime, raising procedural challenges. Issues: whether the warrantless arrest complied with Section 5, Rule 113, crime just committed with personal knowledge, given the 6-day gap between shooting and detention. Whether posting bail and participating in proceedings waive Go's right to preliminary investigation under Rule 112, bearing arraignment until resolved. Whether prosecution eyewitness testimonies suffice without preliminary investigation to establish probable cause for trial. The rulings of the court: warrantless arrest invalid as murder is not a continuing crime and 6 days exceeded just committed under strict Rule 113 interpretation. Police lack personal knowledge at arrest time. Posting bail does not waive preliminary investigation right if explicitly invoked pre-arraignment. RTC erred in proceeding without it. Violating due process, Supreme Court nullified proceedings, ordered preliminary investigation before trial, holding testimony alone insufficient without procedural safeguards. And that's it. Thank you, ma'am.